Hello. I have some very exciting news. I now have a dedicated project hangar for all of my projects. Well, aviation projects anyway, not trucks, machinery and anything non-aviation, but we'll worry about those ones later. For now though, I have a dedicated aviation project hangar. So for the last 12 months or so, the project's been in one of our working hangars, which we're pretty well outgrowing ourselves. So we need a little bit more room. And on top of that, being in the hangar where I often have students walking through, and I do find myself a little bit of time to work on the projects. I invariably get nothing done because I get chatting. So I now have a hangar dedicated, projects only, nothing to do with work. So I'm quite excited for it. I'm going to take both Cub frames, the Beaver over, and Beaver wings, which are in a container at the moment, and they'll be able to sit in the hangar with it, which will make those a little bit healthier too. The container gets very humid, so I don't like the moisture in there as much as I do try and keep a fan on there where as best I can and desiccant in there, but it will still be nice to have them in the dry hangar. Cub wings, which are a different container, we'll get those out and bring them as well. So that means another video of moving aeroplanes on the truck. Better work out how to do it. My initial thought is to stick the old Cub frame, because I'm a little bit less stressed about it, on the truck at the same time as the Beaver fuselage. I'm not sure if they're going to fit side by side, so I'm going to have to go and measure. Otherwise, they might have to go tail to tail with the tails overlapping, where the fuselage starts to get a bit thinner. And I do have the Beaver on its wheelie trolley there, and for simplicity I would like to leave it on there, but that's something I'm about to have to find out whether it will work or not. So I think it's time we went and fetch the forklift. So I've decided that if I get the fork in behind here, and then I can lift the Beaver up, and with the truck driven in here, I should be able to plonk it straight on, and then the Cub frame can sit basically alongside the narrower part of the Beaver fuselage. So we'll see how that goes. Right, well the Beaver survived the trip up onto the truck. My next problem is fitting it out the door. So I measured that door, it's 3.8 metres, and I was using it as a test run because there's a 4.5 metre tall bridge on the way that I need to get under. So I thought if it fits out that door, then we'll be safe for the drive. The problem is, I'm not so certain it'll actually fit out the door. So I think we might have to do a little bit of restacking of the blocks here. Stand by on that one. Okay, so an update. It's been a big 24 hours actually, but it turned out it was going to be too tall to fit out of the hangar on the frame. So I did spend a fair chunk of yesterday evening with the forklift, getting the Beaver high enough to get the frame out and get it back onto blocks of timber and some boards under there to make sure it doesn't damage the fuselage at all. So that took significantly more time than I'd really hoped. And then I spent this afternoon strapping it all down. It's pouring rain outside, so I had to tarp all the open bits. But we're here in the new project hangar. So I'm about to, with minimal enthusiasm, start to unstrap and unload, which is about all I'm going to do for today, I think. Unload it, plonk it on the ground, and worry about it another day. Here we go. Okay, all is unloaded and I'm absolutely soaking wet, as is everything else. But we're here. I'm going to leave tarps, straps, everything to dry out before I put them away, which is an excellent excuse to be lazy and not tidy them up now. But we'll soon have the wings across here, and of course the new Cub frame. So very much looking forward to getting stuck into these projects a little bit more in depth. Now that I've got the room, I'm starting to run out of excuses. So very much looking forward to making some more videos in this hangar as these projects progress. Thanks a lot for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.